horizontal projectile. Here Nana, horizontal projectile means, look here. This is the tower Nana. Tower height h. Here h is nothing but the height of the tower Nana. This is the ground Nana. Okay. In the situation, here the body is there. This body thrown horizontally. Once again I repeat, horizontal projectile means a body thrown horizontally with some velocity from top of the tower. Because of Earth's gravity, it moving downward. Okay? According to mathematical calculation, the path of the projectile is through parabola. Okay? Once again I repeat the statement. According to mathematics, it proved the path of the projectile is parabola. And again, the equation of the projectile is y equal to kx square. Okay? Here k is a proportionality constant. Its value is g by 2u square. Okay? This is the k value. Here Nana, now I discuss. Hold. Example, after t seconds. After t seconds, first question is find horizontal velocity. Look here. First question, after t seconds, find horizontal velocity. Look here now. Okay? Here Nana, I take one point Nana. For example, body starts here. After t seconds, body is here. Here Nana, tangent gives. It gives the direction of velocity. Okay? In the situation, v is in xy plane, so it can be resolved. It can be divided. V is divide two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. Okay? Horizontal velocity denoted by Vx. Okay? Here, after t seconds, its velocity is Vx. Initial velocity, according to diagram, u. Horizontally, initial velocity u. Horizontally, there is no earth attraction because earth attraction always vertically downwards. So, horizontally earth attraction becomes 0. T value becomes T. V is there. We apply kinematic first equation. V equal to u plus at. In the situation, V is Vx, u is u, a value 0, 0 into anything 0. In the situation, Vx value is u. Simply, initial velocity equal to final velocity in the horizontal direction. Simply, its meaning is, here what is the horizontal velocity? U. Here what is the horizontal velocity? U. Here also U. Simply, horizontal velocity does not change because no acceleration due to gravity, because no earth attraction on the horizontal direction. Find find next question nana vertical velocity. Look here nana, find vertical velocity. Vertical velocity means along y-axis. It is simply denoted by Vy. Okay? Here V is Vy. It can be determined. Initially, body thrown horizontally, so initial vertical velocity becomes 0. Simply along y-axis, initial velocity becomes 0. Here, according to diagram, body moving downward, a value taken as plus g, t value t. Again, we apply kinematic equation v equal to u plus at. Okay, look here. According to this situation, v equal to vy, uy 0, a value g, t value t. Simply vy equal to gt. Okay, equation number 1, equation number 2. Simply, what is the horizontal velocity after t seconds? U. What is the vertical velocity after t seconds? Gt. What is the total velocity? Total velocity write as v bar. V bar has divided into two components. One is Vx, another one is Vy. Vx in the positive x direction, that's right as I cap. I cap is a unit vector to indicate the direction. Next, according to diagram, Vy is vertically downward, that can be right as along negative y-axis minus j cap. V bar equal to Vx I cap minus Vy j cap. Okay? Here nana, both side I apply modulus. Finally we get V equal to under root. Here nana, I coefficient square. Simply Vx square plus j coefficient square minus Vy whole square. Finally write V equal to, what is the final expression? Vx square minus whole square plus simply Vy square. Here V equal to under root, what is the Vx value? U square. What is the Vy value? Gt. Simple ga g square t square. This is the equation number 3. This is the total velocity formula after t seconds. Look here. Hold. This is the tower nana. Tower height is h. This is the ground nana. Here body projected horizontally with initial velocity u. Okay, it will be thrown. Finally, it moving downward because of Earth's gravity. It reaches the ground. Okay, here after t seconds, the body is at point P. Here P coordinates is x comma y. According to mathematics, x is nothing but the horizontal displacement, y is nothing but the vertical displacement. First to determine horizontal displacement. Look here now. First I discuss horizontal displacement. Look here now. According to this situation, S value, ఎంత distance, horizontally ఎంత distance travel అయింది, x. Initially horizontal velocity u, horizontally earth attraction 0, t value t. S is seen, we apply kinematic second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. In the equation all the values substitute, S value x, u value u, t value t, a value 0, 0 into anything 0. Finally, horizontal displacement formula is ut. Okay. Similarly, what is the vertical displacement? What is the vertical displacement? Look here, Nana. What is the vertical displacement? Vertical displacement means S is y, Nana. This is condition is vertically. Initially body moves horizontally. That's why initial vertical velocity becomes 0. Look here. Here body moving downward, a value plus g, t value t. Again I apply kinematic second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. In the situation, S value write as y, u value 0, 0 into anything 0, half into a value g, t square. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 5. What is the horizontal displacement in the horizontal projectile? ut. What is the vertical displacement after t seconds? Half g t square. Total displacement అన్నారు అనుకోండి, నీట్గా x into I cap plus y into j cap. In this manner to write the equation. ఇక్కడ I ఎందుకు రాసినా గుర్తుందా? Along x axis unit vector write as I. Along y axis unit vector write j. Along z axis unit vector write k. But here projectile is a two-dimensional, so write as xi plus yj. Equation 5 also completed. First I take horizontal velocity, next vertical velocity, horizontal displacement, vertical displacement after t seconds. Look here now. Tower Nana, tower height is h Nana. This is the body with initial velocity u, projected horizontally. Because of Earth's gravity, it reaches the ground. Okay, because of Earth's gravity, it reaches the ground. Okay, Nana. In the pattern, after t seconds, tangent drawn here, it gives the direction of velocity. Here we resolve Vx, we resolve Vy. In this situation, angle made by resultant velocity with horizontal, this can be calculated. In the situation, same diagram write in this manner. Look here. This is Vx, this is V, this is Vy. Here this angle is alpha. Here according to diagram, angle opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse side. We know that tan alpha. Tan definition is opposite side by adjacent side. According to diagram, what is the opposite side? Vy. What is the adjacent side? Vx. What is the Vy value? Gt. What is the Vx value? U. We know that Vy value Gt, Vx value U. According to this formula, to determine the alpha. Alpha means angle made by the body with horizontal. Hold. Here, this is the tower, Nana. What is the tower height? H. Here, body thrown horizontally with initial velocity u. In the situation, because of Earth's gravity, body reached the ground. The question is to find the total time taken by the body to reach ground from maximum height. Simply, here to here, what time is taken? This time is generally called as the body moves maximum height to ground. This time is called time of descent. But the situation is different. This is total journey. Total journey is called as time of flight. Simply, this is called time of descent. This is called total time is called time of flight. This will be calculated. I take vertical direction. Vertical means along y-axis. What is the total displacement of the body? H. Initially vertical, here body thrown horizontally, so initial vertical velocity becomes 0. Okay, because I take vertical direction. Here body moving downward, a value taken as plus g. Time is t. According to kinematic second equation, S equal to ut plus half at square. According to this situation, S value is h, u value is 0, half into g. T is nothing but the time of descent, td square. Here denominator other side numerator other side denominator. Time of descent is under root 2h by g. This is the formula for time of descent. This is also called as time of flight. Okay. Next now, hold. Here now. This is the tower, Nana. What is the tower height? H. Okay. Here, Nana, body thrown horizontally. Okay, body thrown horizontally. Here, body thrown horizontally with initial velocity u. Because of Earth's gravity, it reaches the ground. This total horizontal distance travelled by the body is called range. Range denoted by R. Range means total horizontal distance travelled by the body in total journey. Okay, total horizontal distance. Simply, what is the distance formula? S equal to ut plus half at square. What is the distance is given? Range. S is R. Here, initially, this is horizontal distance, horizontal velocity. What is initial horizontal velocity? U. Here to here, what time is taken? Time of descent. We take horizontal direction because horizontal distance is nothing but the range. In a horizontal direction, earth attraction becomes 0. A value 0, 0 into anything 0. Simply range equal to u into time of descent formula is under root 2h by g. This is the formula for range. What is the formula for range? In the case of horizontal projectile, U into under root 2h by g. Very important formula. This is the tower nana. In the tower, height is h na. Here body thrown horizontally. Because of S gravity, it reaches the ground. The question is velocity of the striking body. In the situation, tangent gives the direction of velocity. This V is in xy plane. It resolves two components. One is Vx, other one is Vy. In the situation here, we know that Vx is the horizontal velocity, does not change. Initially U, after t seconds also U. But Vy is, we know that gt. But here to here, what time is taken? Time of descent. Here g, okay. Time of descent formula is under root 2h by g. Here Vy equal to g inside g square. Finally under root 2gh. Vy under root 2gh. Vx value u. Okay. According to this situation, V bar write as Vx I cap plus Vy minus j cap, because Vy acting vertically downward along negative y axis. V bar equal to Vx I cap minus Vy j cap. Both sides I have to apply modulus. Okay, finally we get left side V. In the right side, under root, tell me nana, Vx square plus minus Vy whole square write as Vy square. Here substitute all the values. V equal to Vx value u square, Vy square, root will be cancelled, 2gh. This is the velocity of the striking body. What is the formula for velocity of the striking body? Under root u square plus 2gh. Okay.